Hi, I'm Alan Keegan from Tiger Trading, and today we're going to go through how to use one of the features of our platform. Today, we're going to talk about some of the functionality in our order book. So I made up a quick workspace just to demo this. It's really simple. I just have a chart, a time and sales, and an order book for the Bitcoin Tether cross on Binance. Looking at the order book, this is how it'll automatically populate. There's a lot of stuff you can do for customizability and a lot of stuff you can do to change your order entry flow. So first, customizability is just the view. You'll see if you switch to ladder view, you have the option of viewing it as either standard or ladder. I tend to be a ladder person. Also, when you do, you'll see this appear down here, this little target. What that target is something that will time so you can recenter the book if you're looking deeper into the book. So for example, right now, if I scroll up, you see that it's starting to fill up here. When that timer runs out, it'll automatically recenter me. Another thing you can change about that is how long it will take you to recenter. Where if I switch that to 20 on here, the book centering timeout, now I'll sit off the book way longer. And you'll see this is slowly filling up. Rather than wait for that, I'm gonna recenter automatically. And then the next thing you can customize here is whether you want to do automatic column resizing. That is mostly just if you're in a way more difficult layout than this. Obviously right now the order book has a lot of space, but you can switch column resizing to manual, and then you can decide how big your orders look versus this. Maybe if you're more squeezed, you'll be cutting this off a bit. Last thing I want to talk about is order entry. So right now there are two settings you can see here on order entry: confirmation and one-click trading. What that means is right now I don't have one-click trading on. So if I click on here, it'll open a full ticket. I can change my order type, I can change my size, my direction, etc. Good till cancel, immediate or cancel, and then place my order. And then also, because I have this second setting on, even after I enter that ticket, I'll have another confirmation right here. Now, let me flip these for a second. Let me turn one-click trading on. Now what'll happen is if I hold down and shift at any point will freeze your order book so you can enter trades without being afraid that it'll move in front of you. I turned the one-click trading on, so I'll get no order ticket. It'll automatically use whatever size I've selected down here. Right now it's off, so it'll just, if I click on an order, it'll do a size of the order I clicked, so I'm completing that order. Then when I click now, I'll just get a confirmation button with all those pre-size settings. Now, if I want to change what that pre-size setting is, I can use these presets, like here, 0.05, and now I have a 0.05 order. Or I can take any of these and make them any amount that I want to create my own presets, like maybe I want to be trading in 0.07. Now if I hold down shift, my automatic order will be at 0.07. For one-click trading with no confirmation at all, which you might want to do if you're trying to do things pretty fast, you can turn off confirmation and turn off one-click trading. Now, without any confirmation or anything, if I put this to 1 Bitcoin and I click here, it'll immediately enter an order for 1 Bitcoin. So if you're trading at high speeds, if you're trying to do some more agile stuff, that could be useful for you. Also, at any point when you have entries in the order book, you can hit this and that'll cancel all the sell orders you have. Hit this, it'll cancel all the buy orders you have, or they'll sit on this order book and move with it, and then you can cancel them individually. And as I said before, this has all been on the Bitcoin Tether order book. Here you can just switch that to any cross, and when you write a cross, it'll start populating the exchange. So I want to go to ETH USD. Now, you'll see that I have all the different order books I can go to, and up here we have Smart. The Smart Order Book is our Smart Order routing engine, and that'll be a video for its own time. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions left, let us know. We'll make more videos to explain anything, and make sure to sign up for our free beta at tigertrading.com.